Welcome all. Today we're going to see increment and decrement operators, right? So in C programming, we have two different operators as this plus plus sign and minus minus sign indicating as increment and as decrement, right? These are used to change the value of an operand, right? That operand might be a constant or a variable. Now when we try these operands on variables as plus plus and minus minus, by default the values are being incremented by plus 1, decremented by minus 1, right? So increment plus plus will increase the actual value of the variable by plus 1, whereas it will decrement the value of the current variable holding it as by minus 1. Right? So basically these two are nothing but the unary operators, meaning that they can be operated only on a single operand. Till now we have seen different operators as arithmetic, relational, logical, where we used two different operands, right? Now here we'll be having only one operand, that is only a single variable. If I'm having a value of integer a equal to 1 and I want to increment that value, so I'll write it as a plus plus, right? So my variable name and this increment operator as a plus plus. If I try to print that new value, it will be as a equal to 2 because it has been incremented by plus 1. And if I try to decrement back again the same value of a equal to 2 as minus 1, the after decrementing it, it will be again back to a equal to 1. Right? So we'll see a small demonstration of increment and decrementing the values by taking some different data types also. Right? So we'll take some variables as integer, we'll take some variables as float, and then try to increment and decrement the variables. I'll open the IDE, take a new file and define our problem statement. Write a program, demonstrate the increment and decrement operators. Let's start my program. Define our main. Now we'll take some integer values as int a equal to 10, b equal to 100. We'll take float values as well as c equal to, we'll take 10.5 and d equal to 100.5. Now what we'll do is we'll operate on both these data types as integer as well as for float. So we'll take first as printf. We'll first increment for integers plus plus a equal to %d. So whatever the value will be printed here, plus plus a. We'll go for another one, that is the decrement operator minus minus b equal to %d, next line, comma, minus minus b. These were for integer. Now we'll go for floating point. Printf plus c equal to %d slash n plus c. Similarly for d variable, we'll decrement it minus minus d %d slash n. I'll save my program now and write it as increment and decrement dot c. Let's save it. You can see here in all these four printf statements we have only operated on a single variable, right? As in different operators we have seen, we have taken a and b and then applied an operator in between those two different variables. Whereas here, a single operator and a single operand, right? Now we'll execute this program and see how the output appears. You can see here plus A initial value was 10. After incrementing, it is being printed as 11. Minus B, the initial value of B is 100. After decrementing by 1, it gives you 99 here. Okay, so for C, you can see here as the value is 10, right? But the representation what we are going to show here is done in terms of %d. So %d gives you as integer, whereas our variables for C and D are represented in float, right? So what we will do is we'll try to change this back to its original data type as float. I'll save this program again and execute again. Now we'll get the correct values of increment and decrement, right? You can see here plus C initial value was 10.5. Now it is giving as 11.5. For decrementing D, initial value was 100.5. After decrementing 1, it is giving as 99.5, right? So you need to take care here of these variables representation, whether it is %d stands for an integer value, whereas %f stands for a floating point value, right? So here if you do not take as %f, you might lose the precision, right? Or an unexpected output might appear on your output screen. Okay, so this was a small representation of increment and decrement operators in C programming language.